Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change the featured image size in WordPress. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first things first is we first have to determine what actually determines the sizes of your featured images in your WordPress website. Well, typically the sizes that is for your that is set for featured images is determined by the theme that you are currently using. Now, if you want to change the size of your featured image, then you might want to also consider changing to a different theme. Now, to do that, what we need to do is we need to go to the section here that says appearances, and you want to go to themes, and from here, depending on what theme that you select here, you'll get a different size for that specific featured image. Now, in this case, if you don't want to change your theme and you really want to keep that, then you have to change a few settings on your website itself. So at the left side here, we want to go to settings here, hover over it, and from here, you need to look for media. Now, under media, you should be able to see the image sizes that we have right now. So we have the thumbnail sizes, medium sizes, and large sizes here. Now, in this case, it is recommended that you change any of the options here. Like, for example, we want to change the large size here. And from here, if you reduce the size here, it would actually typically reduce the size of the image itself. But I do have to warn you, sometimes changing the size of the image itself can result in blurry images. So this is just a warning there. So make sure that you are aware whenever you're changing this one. But if you want to go ahead and do that, go ahead and update your sizes here. And also the size here is measured by pixels. So this is 1024 by 1024 pixels here. Now also medium is 300 by 300 pixels and thumbnail is 150 pixels by 150 pixels. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.